Students, in the last video, we learnt about Renaissance and the factors which led to Renaissance. In this video, let us learn about the features of Renaissance. Vernacular languages are nothing but regional languages or local languages. In India, we have many regional languages. Similarly, in Europe, there are many. In those days in Europe, Greek and Latin, these two languages were considered as holy languages or the sacred languages or the languages of the god. All the literary works of those days were written in these two languages. Other languages were sidelined or discriminated. After the Renaissance, literary works blossomed in other regional languages also, like English, French, Italian, German, Spanish, Portuguese, and many other, which had more reach among people and liked by people and became popular. Literature, which was popular only among scholars, now reached common man. This is a big change, a literary revolution. Before Renaissance, central theme or subject of literature and other arts were God and religion. Now, after the Renaissance, there was a big change in this field. And now, people started taking aspects of human life as the theme of literature, art, architecture, etc. Look at the statue of Gattamelata by Donatello. The statue is not about God or religion. This portrays a soldier mounted on a horse. This one is a wonderful painting by Leonardo da Vinci, Mona Lisa, a painting of a beautiful lady. These are the best examples for importance given to aspects of human life in art and architecture. Divine Comedy by Dante, Secretum by Petrarch, Decameron Stories by Boccaccio are best examples of literature of Renaissance time. These are the paintings of Michelangelo, and you can clearly understand the aspects of humanism in it. Next feature of Renaissance is reasoning. Reasoning is nothing but making judgments and coming to conclusions by rational thinking or self analysis, and not blindly believing in anyone's words or any writings. This was a new way of thinking in Europe. People started opposing blind beliefs, which were prevalent in those days. And some of the traditional customs and practices were questioned by people. Even many religious beliefs and practices were questioned and discontinued by people of Europe in those days. There were many baseless beliefs in those days, like earth is flat, sun is revolving around earth, etc. People started questioning these beliefs, and there was a spirit of enquiry among people, which later led to new inventions and discoveries. A new scientific temper developed among people, and they started opposing all the blind beliefs which were present in those days. Telescope was invented by Galileo Galilei. Solar system was discovered by Copernicus. Printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Many other new discoveries and inventions later enriched Europe and made it a powerful continent. In the next video, let us discuss about Reformation and Industrial Revolution. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and support.